Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use your inbox in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So guys, you can see here I have a couple of tasks. You can see I have 4 tasks right here and 4 tasks right here. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you'll see this menu that will enable you to use multiple options of your Todoist to manage your task. You can see your inbox, you can see your upcoming task, you can filter and label and so on. Here you can even see your projects. So as you can see here guys, here we have the inbox option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on inbox. And as you can see here guys, it looks the same as the main page. All you have is just some tasks. And why is that guys? Because inbox is just basically the main option where your tasks will be created if you do not specify a project when creating a task. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and create a new task. And while creating the task guys, you can see that now I can go ahead and give it the name, let's say test task inbox, and add description if you want. I'm going to type video. And now guys, you can see here you can select where you want your task to be created. You can either select a project that you have, or you can let it be automatically selected to inbox. I'm going to select inbox, and then I'm going to go ahead and click task. So as you can see, I have created a new project. Now let's go back to inbox guys, and as you can see now this task is right here that I have just created because it is in the inbox option. So let's say that I would change it. I would go ahead and change the project to education. You can now go back and see that you no longer have the task in inbox, and it is now moved to education. So guys, basically that's how you use your inbox. It is just the default option to manage your tasks right here. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.